What's up, guys? Here I have the Manscaped, the Lawnmower 4.0. It's $90 at Best Buy. So a quick opening. Here are the different things it comes with. Quick opening, I'll show you guys. Here it is. So I opened the box. So this is, sorry for the nice background, the HP, but this is what it comes with. Nice packaging. That's how it looks. Let's open it up. Here it is. A lot nicer than the last one. Here it is. Take a quick view, close up. Manscaped. Wow. Has some battery, a light. What else comes in here? Manscaped, let's get mowing. Sorry for the lighting. Okay, I have this little thing, pull. So pull here. Okay. Okay, so pull here. Then we got the charger and two different trimmers, different sizes of how you want your beard. Two sizes. Here it is. And then we got the charger's pretty nice. This is a charger. You just put it here. I just connect it here. And this just connects to the back. There, so it's packaging looks nice. So let me try it out. I'll let you guys know how it is. Here's everything that it comes with. Of course, we got the machine, two different trim levels, and then the charger here and here. Charger connects to the button here. So the little stance is real nice. So that is pretty much it. I'll let you guys right now how it works. So here's how my beard currently looks. Do a little quick lineup. Yeah, try not to scare you guys here. I'm gonna try to do a little quick lineup, see how it looks, and then I typically also use a razor. So I was saying, I usually use a razor as well to line up in the top. This is what I usually use. Blade. I'll let you guys just know the final product. I'm gonna do a little quick trimming, see how I look. What's up, guys? I'm back, and well, fuck, it didn't go as I wanted to. I just wanted to trim it, like cut it shorter, but not that much. So, end product. I personally wouldn't recommend it if you want to trim it and not completely almost shave it all off. So I don't recommend it. That's what I think of the trimmer, the new lawnmower, the Manscaped, not Manscaped, yeah, Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0. So yeah, I'm a Chargers fan. Manscaped, but yeah, not worth it. So here's a trimmer. I tried using this one to see if it would let my hair a little bit longer, but honestly, what the hell is this? This worthless. Didn't work. I ended up going with this one, but it's really tiny. So yep, that's what happened. So if you want to still have a lot of your facial hair, this one will cut it too short, and this one just unneeded, worthless. I don't know, the machine, the little light not really worth it. You don't really need it. So that's my review. I didn't like it. I would opt out to go with something else that has more different sizes of it to trim. So that it is what it is. So anyways, I just fucked up my hair, but oh well, my facial hair is gone, so I guess I gotta wait. So give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Bye.